For car. You put eyelash on it. With eyelashes. Oh, and that beautiful. Ano kung makakain tayo nito? Kung maluto ba talaga siya? Ay, nako. Walang lingaw. Okay. If it cooked, then we can eat it. If not, then sorry. That's only a warmer, but that's a fresh meat. So we'll see if it cooked. We're not that hungry, so that's good. If the oils come out, so it means cooking. Let's eat na, guys. Let's eat.
Whatever, no reason. Shoot, off this chair.
Let's eat, let's eat. Luto na. Crazy. Luto
Is
na.
you already heated up upstairs?
Done.
You're done?
No, not yet. We're gonna finish it, you know. Say hi. Say hi,
Say
love.
hi, babe.
Say hi. I'm so like, what? I'm so like hot in here. Alright, our experiment is successful. Successful on the side.
Shared it to friends.
Yeah, sharing.
We're just eating out
We're eating outside.
in our yard.
Some gyupsal.
Or maybe for future business.
You see, promoting. Okay.